Hello friends, welcome to our adventure in understanding something that might sound a little mysterious at first, but is actually a big part of many people's lives. Today we're diving into mortgages. You might have heard grown-ups talk about them, or maybe you've seen the word on TV or in movies. But what does it really mean? Why do people need one, and how does it work? Imagine you spot a huge, amazing toy in a store window. You want it more than anything, but it costs way more than the coins in your piggy bank. You need a little help to make that dream come true. That's where a mortgage comes in. It's like a helping hand from someone who believes in your dream and wants to see you succeed. A mortgage is a special kind of loan from the bank, designed just for buying a house. The bank gives you most of the money you need and you promise to pay it back over time. Each month you pay back a little bit of what you borrowed, plus something called interest. Interest is like a thank you fee to the bank for letting you use their money. It helps the bank keep helping other people too. Think of it as planting a garden. The bank gives you seeds. Those are the funds for your house and you plant them in your own patch of land. With care, patience and regular watering, your monthly payments, your house grows and becomes truly yours, just like a beautiful garden blooming from tiny seeds. A mortgage is really a partnership. You and the bank work together, building your dream home step by step. It's not just about money, it's about trust, responsibility, and working toward a goal. So don't be afraid of the word mortgage. Think of it as a friendly giant, reaching down to help you climb up to your dreams. It might seem big and complicated, but it's really here to help. A mortgage is both a plan and a promise. It's a plan for how you'll pay for your home, and a promise to take care of it and make it your own. Learning about mortgages is like playing the first note of a brand new song. It might feel tricky at first, but with practice, you'll understand the rhythm and melody. Remember, buying a home is a big goal, but you can break it down into small, manageable steps, just like climbing a staircase one step at a time until you reach your very own front door. Why is a mortgage a big deal? It's like a superhero for home buying dreams. Instead of saving for years, a mortgage lets you buy a house with a down payment. The bank covers the rest, making homeownership possible sooner. Each payment builds equity, meaning more of the house becomes yours. It's like coloring in a picture until the house is all yours. A mortgage bridges the gap between your savings and your dream home. It turns dreams into reality, allowing you to start living in your home. It's a tool that has helped millions find their own place. Ready to ask the bank for a mortgage? Walking into a big bank building can feel intimidating, but understanding what bankers are looking for can make the process much less mysterious. When you sit down with a banker, they're not just looking at you, they're looking at your financial story, and they want to know if you're a safe bet for lending money. Here's what they look for when you apply for a mortgage, and why each piece matters. First, reliability is key. Bankers want to see if you have a history of paying back loans and bills on time. This helps them predict if you'll pay your mortgage on time too. The first thing they'll check is your credit score. This number tells them how well you've managed money in the past, whether you pay your credit cards, loans, and bills on time, and if you've borrowed responsibly. Next, they'll look at your income. Having a steady job or a reliable source of income is crucial. The bank wants to know you have money coming in every month to cover your mortgage payments. To prove this, you'll need to show recent pay stubs, tax returns, or other documents that confirm your earnings. They want to see that your income is stable and enough to handle a new loan. Next, they'll look at your debts. This means any money you owe, like car loans, student loans, or credit card balances. They compare your total monthly debt payments to your income to make sure you're not stretched too thin. If you already owe a lot, the bank might worry you won't be able to handle another payment. Keeping your debt low makes you a stronger candidate. Savings are also important. The bank wants to see that you have money set aside, not just for the down payment, but also as a cushion for emergencies. A good-sized down payment shows you're committed and reduces the bank's risk. The more you can put down, the better your chances. So, remember these 5 keys: your credit score, your income, your debts, your savings, and your down payment. Each one helps the bank decide if you're ready for a mortgage. By understanding what bankers look for, you can prepare and boost your chances of getting approved for your dream home. Want a big thumbs up on your mortgage application? Then you'll need to show lenders you're a superstar applicant. Getting approved for a mortgage isn't just about filling out forms, it's about proving you're responsible, organized, and ready for the commitment of homeownership. So, let's dive into some super duper tips to help you stand out and get that enthusiastic yes from your lender. First, focus on your credit score. Lenders love to see that you pay your bills on time, every time. Set reminders, automate payments, or use a calendar to track due dates. Even a few months of consistent, on-time payments can make a big difference in boosting your score. Next, try to stay at your current job for at least 2 years. Stability in your employment history shows banks that you have a steady income and are less of a risk. If you're thinking about switching jobs, consider waiting until after your mortgage is approved. Work on paying down other debts, like credit cards or car loans. The less you owe, the more money you'll have available for your mortgage payments. This also improves your debt-to-income ratio, which is a key factor lenders look at. Gather and organize important documents such as pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and any other paperwork your lender might request. Having everything ready in advance saves time and shows you're on top of things. Create a special folder, maybe call it your My Dream Home folder, where you keep all your mortgage-related documents. This way, you can quickly find what you need and avoid last-minute scrambling. Being organized not only helps you but it also impresses your lender. It shows you're serious, responsible, and ready to take on the responsibility of a mortgage. When your paperwork is in order, the mortgage process moves much more smoothly and quickly. You'll avoid delays and reduce stress for both you and your lender. Presenting a neat, complete package of documents makes you look prepared and trustworthy. Lenders appreciate applicants who make their job easier. By following these steps, you'll boost your chances of getting that all-important mortgage approval. Remember, every little bit of preparation helps. It's all about showing the bank you're ready, reliable, and excited to become a homeowner. A little preparation goes a long way. Start early, stay organized, and keep your eye on the prize, your dream home. Be the most prepared homebuyer out there. With these tips, you're well on your way to getting that big thumbs up. You've got this. Saving for a down payment can seem daunting, but start small. Aim for 20% of the home's price, but even 3 to 5% works. Create a budget to track spending and find savings. Small changes, like making coffee at home, add up. Cancel unused subscriptions to save more. Automate savings, transfers to a special account. Treat savings like an important bill. Consider side jobs or selling unused items for extra cash. Celebrate small milestones to stay motivated. Every step brings you closer to your dream home. Avoid common mistakes on your home buying journey. Don't make big purchases before or during the mortgage process. Get pre-approved to know your budget before house hunting. Pre-approval prevents falling for unaffordable homes. Remember closing costs in addition to the down payment. Ask your lender for an estimate to avoid surprises. Talk to multiple lenders for the best mortgage deal. Different lenders offer different rates and terms. Compare options to save money over the loan's life. Be proactive and informed to get the best mortgage. We've covered a lot, but remember, you can do this. Buying a home is a journey of small, achievable steps. You're the captain of your ship, sailing toward homeownership. Use this guide as your map. Start today by checking your budget and credit. Set up automatic savings transfers. Every great accomplishment starts with a small step. Your dream home is within reach with planning and patience. Unlock the door to your future home with confidence. A wonderful new chapter awaits you. You can do it.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.